There is a huge possibility that these two meme coins will be listed on Coinbase, and I will explain you why. First of all, the Toshi got listed a few days ago, and it basically went 2x, 3x, but the market cap of this coin was around $100 million, so it went to 200 million, over 200 million. And here I want to show you this. Brian Armstrong recently replied with this, which means DOGINME, and DOGINME is one of the meme coins that I want to talk about. The other one is TYBG, and here you can see Jesse Pollack, the founder of Base, which is funded by Coinbase, basically posted this and talked about TYBG like 6 times on different podcasts. He also shaved his head because he promised the TYBG this. And what Coinbase right now is doing, they basically listed many Solana meme coins on Coinbase few weeks ago, even few months ago. And people from Base community were basically angry because it doesn't make sense that Coinbase is not listing their own Base meme coins. But what they are doing is actually this. They are waiting for bigger pumps for bull run euphoria. And right now, a few days ago, I mean, when the Trump released the meme coin, everything basically went crazy. The retail is coming here. Bitcoin is pumping to new all-time highs. That's why I think there is a 99% chance that these two meme coins will be listed on Coinbase exchange. The most bullish fact is that market cap of these meme coins is around 60 million and 25 million, $30 million in market cap, which is so low because again, Toshi was around 100 million, more than that. These are 3x, 5x, 7x lower. And if these have a chance to go to 1 billion, that is at least 40x gains from these prices. There are 0 reasons why Coinbase should not release these meme coins because these have a huge communities. Also, there are meme coins like Benji, KeyCat, Higher, and many more, but I think these are two really special because actually Brian Armstrong has again posted this, and Jesse Pollack, the founder of Base Network, has talked about TYBG many times. That's why don't underestimate these meme coins. I think this is the easiest play in the 2025. But of course, do your own research. I'm just sharing what I know and what I have been researching for the last year. And if you want to get early alpha, if you want to get these news much earlier, because the prices of DOGINME and TYBG have already pumped, and I talked about this before on my Patreon. So if you want to get the information earlier, you can join my Patreon, only $10 a month. I'm posting daily, multiple times a day, because there is so much alpha, so much huge drops, huge crypto tokens that are going 10x, 50x, 100x that I'm talking about. That's why you can follow my Patreon. All the links are in the description below. And one more alpha is that there is a huge chance that Coinbase and the Base will be creating their own Base token. That's why there is this on-chain score, which basically tracks all of your transactions on the Base network, how much you are providing liquidity, how much you are bridging, doing swaps, even deploying contracts if you are a developer. And you can see I have more than 90 points. That's why if they are dropping token while we are in a euphoria in the next 3 months, I think the airdrop will be huge. That's another benefit for you to go on Base, buy some meme coins, do some swaps, add liquidity, do transactions every day, just swap $50 from USDT to Ethereum and back. And that's basically how you do transactions. You can also do bridges on Jumper. Many things that you can do to basically qualify for the upcoming Base airdrop if they actually drop one. But overall, there are so many opportunities with NFTs, with ENS names, with meme coins, with AI agents, AI crypto coins. Now with the president, Donald Trump, talking about crypto. Elon Musk soon will be posting his own stuff. Even Mr. Beast, there are rumors that Mr. Beast will be launching his own meme coin. That's why don't fade the crypto. If you want to get latest news updates, follow this channel, follow my Patreon for even faster news, faster updates, because it's much easier to post on Patreon, not to make YouTube videos. But also I'm posting everything on YouTube after I'm posting on Patreon. That's why if you enjoyed this video, press subscribe, press the like button, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.